Hey, hey, Jimmy, it's been a while, man. You remember me?
Barely.
I recorded you in the red Road Runner in the neighborhood,
Yeah.
and then
And
I took pictures in the turquoise Ford. I can't think of the name of it, but I just did this same like a vlog with Ardent Speed, and I saw the same car that you let us take pictures in
is that right?
at Ardent Speed, the Ford Edelson. Am I saying Edsel? Yeah.
Edsel.
I saw it at the.
It's over there for sale.
Yeah, I saw it. I was like, wow, that's that same car.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what led me here.
Yeah, I got you.
You doing all right?
Oh yeah, man. Yeah. I ain't seen you around lately.
I usually a lot of times I just pull on the lot, see what's here, and then I'll take off.
I drive by over and look for you.
Yeah.
I kind of started when you take a left, and go down and take a right on your street. I've been going in that circle, the street that comes back out, and instead of going on up the Reese and coming
around.
And so just to kind of put a little road test on these cars,
Man, you got some beautiful.
If you go further, I go over to 70 and go up towards Arlington.
And open it up a little bit.
Yeah. And especially if I need to put about 10 or 20 miles on it.
Yeah. I just wanted to get some content, man. Maybe look around. You give me a tour or.
Yeah, Donna, show you around. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm doing something.
Or I could do it myself.
We got some.
Go ahead and walk around.
Yeah,
All
just see what you want to see.
All right.
It's just, I never know.
All right, same here.
I know sometimes, like if we have some cars in here, like Graceland cars and stuff, they don't want them filmed. We could get in big trouble.
So what do you have
I
that?
don't know. That's why I'm surprised he's telling you. I don't usually work that much. I'm kind of semi-retired. So I guess we have nothing if he's wanting me to show you.
Yeah, if he kind of.
It's unusual for us to have Corvettes. We don't usually have those, but we seem to have several right now. And this one, I don't even know who he is, but he's
Somebody.
All
right.
He's got one of those glass that looks 4 inch tall, 6.
Wow. This thing is super clean. Beautiful.
That gray one, it's a Cobra.
Oh, wow.
It's a high dollar.
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
Doing all right? Doing all right?
Yep.
What is your name?
Terry.
What do you do? Everything.
Pretty much, I do everything but paint. I'm doing this one right now.
Oh wow. What is it?
Trying to finish up all the wiring.
International Scout.
It's going to Texas.
Beautiful. Man, you doing a good job, man. This thing looks great. What are you wiring everything up?
Well, it's just pretty much a frame and a body when I started on it.
Wow.
Just about done with the wiring, got to do the headlights and stuff, but everything else is about ready to paint. Gotta get some exhaust on it. Just got a bunch of other stuff. Looks really good. And it'll be super durable. It really doesn't do much of it. I said, do you have anything that's really shiny and chrome? He said, well, we can try this. It's nice. I like it. Well, it also has a lot of stuff in the line. Locals and all that stuff. We want some shiny stuff on it. And I'm like, okay then. Have you seen the motor? It's all blacked out.
Hey, what's up, bro? You doing all right?
Yeah, pretty good.
That's what's up.
Living a dream.
I know, right? Beautiful. Beautiful MG on the way. I'm talking about frame off. Down to the bone. On one, we go. That's me right there. All right. Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you later.
Absolutely, man. You have a blessing.
All right, you too. All right, Jimmy, I'm gonna look around outside for a minute, man. I'm gonna get out of here. I really appreciate you. Maybe I can catch you at another time where you can give me a tour
Okay.
and explain some things to me. Let me know what you're doing. I'm gonna put this on YouTube,
Okay.
put it out, see what it do.
Yeah.
I've done Dyno Speed, Steel Rose Metal Company, the Resto Mod Garage. So I've been kind of like staying in my little area
Right.
and just going around because, you know, like I told you when I first met you, that I do car shows.
Right.
So now I'm going a little bit behind. I'm going behind the grind.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So I'm
Have you ever
getting.
been down to the Edge Museum down there?
Man, I did the Edge Museum. I just did a Elvis. The Elvis week. They had the big.
Airplane?
Yeah, I was down there for that. Yeah, I go down there a lot.
Yeah, we got that arranged for him.
Yeah.
Got it over there. It was coming into town, and I know the man involved and all that, so we talked him into taking it down to the Edge, putting it out front.
Yeah, I was there. I recorded this on my YouTube page where I'm gonna put this.
Yeah, got to spend some money on that thing.
Yeah, that thing is nice though.
It's
It's
one of a kind.
yeah, it's something to see.
Yeah, it is.
For real.
All right, man. Good luck.
All right, thanks, Jimmy. All right. Thanks, Donna.
All right.
Y'all take care now.
All right.
All right.